There's not many centres that do both wildlife and domestic animals. At West Hatch, we have both here. So we've got the domestic animals, cats, dogs. We rescue and rehabilitate seals, hedgehogs, various birds, fox cubs, otter cubs, badgers, all kinds of animals. I love working here because the volunteers are amazing.
Volunteers are crucial to the RSPCA. In fact, we couldn't do what we do without our volunteer team.
We have wildlife assistants, we have administrators, receptionists, we've got drivers that go out and do all kinds of errands for us, gardeners, maintenance.
And we've also got volunteers that help our inspectorate out rescuing animals in need.
It's a really privileged position to be in, to work with people that are giving their time for free to come and help for the sake of animal welfare.
Volunteers help us in all manners of what we do. We have around 7,000 volunteers in our national society and around another 10,000 in our branch networks. And Assemble helps us manage those volunteers, task those volunteers, and make sure that they're having a great experience whilst they're with us. So before Assemble, we were actually using pen and paper and spreadsheets across the network. We didn't have a central view of our volunteers and the activities they're doing, let alone be able to task them or communicate them. So what Assemble's done is it's brought all of those volunteers together into one community.
Coordinating the volunteers would be very hard without Assemble. We use it from the very beginning of the volunteer experience with advertising all of our roles through to the applications, confirmation that they're okay to volunteer, all of their training, tracking hours that they've volunteered, giving people tasks and activities to do. We use it for communication. Everything is consolidated.
Assemble comes with loads of really good practice installed. The analytics section is really important to us. So understanding the diversity of our volunteers is helping us attract volunteers from all different parts of the community.
My favourite feature on Assemble is the rota. With the rota, we know exactly when all the volunteers are coming in for all the different roles. Everyone knows exactly what's going on.
Going forward, Assemble is going to help us develop our volunteering programme. It gives us loads of new opportunities to involve volunteers in lots of different ways.
The efficiency, reliability of the system is incredible. Assemble really helps us track how we're getting on and how many valuable hours have gone in, and for us also to share those success stories with the team and the volunteers.